beautiful engine. It's my favorite engine I've ever had. I've had some Johnsons in the past and a few other brands, but Mercury has been my best engine. So anyway, it has a lot of features to it. It came with a depth finder. It's a Lowrance depth finder. I'm not sure how clear that is. There's some information up at the top. It's like an auto mode because we're not in the water. It just has certain things on there like depth and things like that. It's a pretty decent depth finder, fish finder. Unfortunately, the Garmin is right over here, but I left it back home. But I'm going to be sending some videos on that too. So that's a chart plotter. Very, very sophisticated. I got it late last year, and it's a wonderful depth finder, fish finder. So it comes with 2 seats, and you can relocate these to the back, right there, and then there's another place to relocate, or you can buy an extra seat or 2. And then there's the biggest one is right up here, which when the boat's in the water and you've got the Garmin chart plotter up there, you can set waypoints and look at the depth of your fish. It's just incredibly visual, very, very, very precise. And I've seen lots and lots of videos of that. Very, very good. This is the trolling motor is up there. It's a Minn Kota trolling motor. And this is the remote control that came with the boat, with the motor. And this is like if you take off your shoes, you have a lot of control and you can move it faster. You see the motor twirling, and then really fast. You can hear it a little bit. And then over there, lowering it just a little bit. And then you can go right, or left, increase speed, and those things. So it's pretty handy. We used it a lot, much more than our engine, because we like to fish a lot and we trolled a lot. And we trolled mostly with the Minn Kota. That's why our main engine only has less than 60 hours on it, even though we've had it for a long period of time. So I'm going to turn this off now. There. And there's not a lot of sophistication with the dashboard. It's just basic. And that's not miles per hour or knots per hour. It's basically revolutions per minute. And it goes from 0 to 7,000. And there's navigation lights right there, and I've got the fore and aft tubes that you pull in, and that's the aerator for the live well. And then there's on this side, I'm going to get up and go over on the other side. So this is the motor from the back, from the front. Just like I was looking at from the back. And this is another type of suction cup that I used to use, and I switched out to the ones that are basically everything I'm showing you goes with the boat. The trailer, of course. I have 2 dry boxes that go with the boat. That's one of them. Let's see. This is the Bimini top right there. And it's held up really well over the years. I hosed it down water when I was hosing the boat down. So this is the other side of the boat, and this right here is a test for the battery. If you hold that in right there, it says test, and you can test it. And there's 3 lights that have lit up. Let's see. It's a really nice windshield. It's got, this has it's a storage place. I've got it locked right now, but it's a storage place for your fishing poles or whatever else that you want to have. And the batteries, I've got a marine battery, starting battery, which is right here. It's a super starter battery. And I've got an interstate trolling motor battery, deep cycle, right there. They're both very new, just maybe 6 months old or something like that, and never used. I used them like this just to rinse the boat and wash out the engine and stuff, keep the engine going. And, let's see, it does have an anchor system, and you pull that and then the anchors drop like that. And I've got 2 anchors. The first one you see on the left is 12 feet, and that over the one to the right is 12 pounds, and the one to the right is 20 pounds. And I've been using mostly the 12 pound. This is not an electric winch or anything, so it takes some muscle to get it up, especially when you get it down like 70, 80 feet. Or I think I've got it set for 80 feet as the depth. This is where the one of the navigation lights goes, and the other one goes right in the back of the boat. So there's a lot of ties on the boat when you put ropes in, and you can tie it up on either side when you're docking, and that's pretty good. And the chairs are very comfortable. They're original chairs. We've kept them in pretty good shape. And I'm going to turn the engine off and turn it back on so you can hear what that sounds like. Point this over there. Okay. Front, or it's in neutral, and over there is reverse. But when you're just idling it like this, you're not supposed to actually go forward or backward with the propeller because it can be dangerous. So I'm going to raise it a little bit and lower it a little bit. Comes in really handy when you're putting the boat in the water or taking it out of the water. Over here, you've also got the power trim going up and going down. So I'm going to say so long, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a note. Take care. It's a really